Good evening, Ma'am Roxanne. This is my culminating activity presentation. About me, name, Mark Denver S. Diaz, age, 18, grade and section, UMS 12J. Ito po yung grade 11 specialized subject ko. Number 1, Introduction to World Religions and Belief System. Ito po yung artifacts na napili ko. Description. This artifact showcasing a group activity debate. It provides frameworks for morality, guides decision, and offers a sense of belonging to something bigger. Ito po yung pangalawa. Discipline and ideas in the applied social science. Ito po yung napili kong artifacts dito. Description. This artifact shows proposed barangay intervention strategies explore our ideas for facing key issue and positive change in our barangay. Ito po yung pangatlo. Discipline and ideas in applied social science. Ito po yung napili kong artifacts dito. Description. This shows my understanding social concept like symbols, looking glass, self-manifest, latent function, and dysfunction help us grasp how society shapes behavior. Ito po yung pangatlo. Philippine Politics and Governance. Ito po yung artifacts na napili ko dito. Description. This artifact shows our campaign activity where I nailed my senator role and showcasing my platforms and vision. Ito naman po yung grade 12 specialized subject ko. Una sa lahat, community engagement, solidarity, and citizenship. Ito po yung artifacts na napili ko dito. Description. This artifact shows that I were to choose a career, what would it be? My chosen career will be public health analysis so that I can understand the health needs of communities and develop strategies to improve public health outcomes. Ito naman po, creative writing. Ito po yung artifacts na napili ko dito. Description. This artifact showcasing a group activity roleplay, The Boy Who Cried. In this roleplay, a kid named Alex keeps sending false alarms about a wolf, and each the villagers responds only to find out it's false alarm. Creative non-fiction. Ito naman po yung pili kong artifacts dito. Description. This artifact showing documents November moments, a 10-day journey. Flip through our group collective reflection where everyday activities turn into unforgettable memories from laughter-filled hangouts. We've captured the essence of our shared experience. Trends, network, and critical thinking in the 21st century. Ito naman po yung napili kong artifacts dito. Description. These artifacts present a group created application called Crema Suites. Crema Suites is a user-friendly app that focuses on selling breads, cakes, and cookies. And this app makes ordering easy and fast for convenient. Personal vision and goals in the future. My vision for the future to become successful criminology, making positive impact in my community while building a happy loving family. I dream of working in law, enforcement, or policy making, specializing in areas like cybercrime or juvenile justice, and creating program that promote safety and rehabilitation. Equally, important is my family life. I want to be present for every milestone and big, small, and create home filled with laughter, support, and adventure. Ayun lang po. Thank you po.